There's a ton of great food at Grand Central Market, a rehabilitated food hall in Los Angeles. But every single day, the longest line forms at Eggslut, a food truck turned egg sandwich counter that specializes in excellent breakfast and lunch sandwiches.
Now, what makes these sandwiches so extra slutty is that they're all filled with these incredible custardy eggs, and they all come with a squishy, warm brioche. Now, this here is the Fairfax. This is Eggslut's most famous and popular sandwich, and this one is made from soft scrambled eggs with chives, cheddar cheese, caramelized onions, and a chipotle mayo, and you can get that extra slutted up, extra loaded with avocado and bacon. I'm so hungry. It's early in the morning in Los Angeles. I haven't eaten anything yet today, so I'm so excited about this right now. You have no idea. Check that out. This is such an incredible breakfast sandwich. There's so much richness going on. You have the custardy eggs, you have a little bit of heat, which really actually adds a nice balance to the sandwich, a little bit of sweetness from the caramelized onions, and then a hint of salt from the cheddar cheese. And this is a really beautifully balanced sandwich, but what really holds it all together and makes it so great is the eggy brioche bread. It's soft, it's incredibly fresh. It's squishy, and it catches all of the juices from the eggs and from the sriracha and really holds this whole sandwich together and adheres it. I mean, this is, I say very confidently, this is the best breakfast sandwich I've ever had.